Hi, this is James with Alabama Construction Pros again. And so on this video, we're going to be talking about the process of a bathroom remodel. So when it comes to the process of bathroom remodel, you may be thinking, well, we'll just sign a contract and go in and demo and we'll build your bathroom and that'll be it. Well, the process is a little bit more tedious than that. We like to try to plan out as much of the project that we can. And so that's why the process for your bathroom remodel may take a little bit longer. First thing that we would do is we're going to schedule an appointment. I myself will come out and I will talk with you as a customer. I'll talk with you about your project. We'll go over a couple basic questions about your project, and we'll try to set a budget, see when you would like to start, when would you like things to be completed by, and so we'll try to set a time frame and a budget for your project. And once we come to agreement on what you would like to spend or what the project is going to cost, for example, if it's going to be $25,000 or $100,000 depending on the project, the next step is to set up a design consultation meeting. There is a fee for the design. The fee for a bathroom would be a $600 fee, and what that fee all provides is you're going to have a 3D rendering of your design. You're going to have the build drawings, the blueprints for your design. Bathroom designer is going to help you pick out your finishes, and then she's going to measure your space, and then once she measures your space, she's going to set up a different time with you, a week or two, to come back and show you the conceptual ideas that she's come up with. Once those ideas have been put into our computer 3D program, she's going to meet with you and kind of go over her conceptual designs. And so those meetings will continue. You have a few meetings like that until you all come to an agreement on what you as a customer definitely want in your own bathroom. Those meetings will go back and forth between you and the designer, and you'll be able to come to a conclusion exactly what type of design you want for your bathroom. Paint colors, the tile, the finishes like your towel bars, faucets, different things like that. Once we get the design all put together in a blueprint, we're going to take those designs in the blueprint over to the city. And so after the design phase is over, what we have next is the estimation phase. I'll come back, I'll bring my subcontractors over, and we'll be able to estimate your price so that you don't have to worry about the price going above the initial budget that we set. So if you initially said you want to spend $55,000 on your master bathroom remodel, then we won't go above that because that price has already been set. Of course, that's why you pay the design fee to try to get the price in the budget that we set. And so once we have that price put together, what we'll do is you and I will meet again, sign the contract, and set a start date. So once we have that start date, we'll start the construction. And typically for a bathroom, if you're talking about a hall bathroom, it's about 1 month. If you're talking about a master bathroom, it's about a month to 2 months to complete everything. And so that's kind of the process. That process from the first call to us completing your bathroom, it could be anywhere from a month to a month and a half for the design, and another month to 2 months before you can enjoy your bathroom. As you hear right now, we're actually currently in a bathroom, standing in the bathroom. That's going to be the shower over there, and you can hear all the work that we're doing to complete this bathroom. Until we get to the completion phase of your project, from first phone call to design to estimation to construction, then completion. For a bathroom, it typically takes about 2.5 to about 4.5 months. All right, well, this is James. Thank you.